I've been doing a lot of things in the last couple of days, but I haven't put a video up because I thought I'd give some people a rest. Flicking tailstock. People who don't know what a tailstock is, it's that thing there. It's doing my rocker box in because it just don't work properly, and it's one of them things that get to me. Nothing else gets to me. Nothing else gets to me. I'm too old and tough for that sort of crap. That I could probably sit by looking at you like this for 10 minutes and it would be more interesting than some of the videos. So somewhere about this premises is a brush. I've sawed a pan. You'll hear a lot of that in this house. Whatever I touch, 600 other things fall about the place. So I'll give this a quick clean up. Let's put that on there. And I'll show you in a minute. When it's down like that, it collects metal. You've probably seen it before. There, see? And then, as soon as you pull a plunger, it all falls off. Turn round. All we've got left is a good majority of aluminium. Stop looking at my ass. A vintage. There, see? They gotta be welded on. And you, but I've got no gas, so we're not doing that. No vintages today. So let me show you my dilemma problem. Ooh, there. This is lost the grub screw. What happens is when this turns, it's got a cam up in there, and as it turns it pulls this tighter. Or it used to. But it's just getting worse and worse. I think that was the original. But it's just don't, you see the movement of this cam. I don't know if you can see that. It's not pulling. It's not pulling it. So, let's see if I can get that out of there. Where are you? There. So you got to step away there, and then as you turn it, it's supposed to get there. So how can we put that in there so this tucking thing works? So that is off, and then when you turn it, it locks it, pulls it down. So maybe, just maybe, it wasn't in there right. You know what I mean? I don't want to make a new one unless I got to. So I think what's happening is this might be going in too far. So I don't know where high is and where low is. But I think it's in there like that, so it's not working. Or, you know, it's riding. It's not going in there where it's supposed to. So what we do, which I'm going to do, because I'm going to take this down a little bit. We're going to take a bit off the surface. So I've just made it narrower, so it should whatever happens in there, it should find it. Okay, and you should be able to pull it or push it whichever way it wants to go. So I'm sure up was off. There, you can actually see that. Well, I don't know if you can, but that is definitely moving now, lads. Yeah, there. I'll try and show you. See you go. In fact, it's hot as well. So, but also, you expect that to stand up? We'll do that grub screw up. I think that Allen key on the floor looked pretty good. No, it wasn't, but it'll do. Oh, it'll do, yeah, it does. Right, so that now is in there. And we'll find a grub screw right in there. Yeah. We get a lot of swipes saying this and saying that, but I'm afraid I just ain't got time for it. There used to be grub screws in here. Where's all my fucking grub screws gone? I would do it though. Does that look crap? Who said yes? Get off. I wasn't going to put it on there with a screwdriver. I was going to give it a serious talking to. Right, is that working or not? Oh, look at that. Watch. It's definitely pulling and pushing. So we know it's moving back and forth now, so we just want to... Look, I found Dad. I haven't seen him for ages. So this is all together. Like that, like that, like that. And that screws in there, you see? So with the bed there, as soon as you turn that, it pulls it up, as you see. It's something and nothing. So that is on. That's off. It's literally, that is moving maybe a 16th of an inch. Well, let's put it back on, and we'll have a. Let me aim you back over there. The thing is, with owning these wonderful old machines, as everybody says, yeah, but you got one of them. They need maintenance quite often, these old ones. I mean, I've had this a lot of years. I can't even tell you how long, because we had a bigger one. We had a big one in here, which I give to my son. I like them size to this one, which I can guarantee you a lot of things on here has been changed over the years, and within the next couple of months I should think we're going to be changing the gearbox. See that thing I was showing you, and that fits under there, and then you come back a bit and tighten it up. Right, so that's movable. Well, that would be nice. See it? Rocks. And if you undo it too much, that is if you undo it too much, that nut under there loosens off itself. That is all that looseness, you'd think that would really slide wonderful. Right, I'm gonna say yes. Well, I thought I was going to take longer, and that's about it. I just thought I'd come on and have a chat to you. Yeah, as I say, I've been working on this, so I could continue work on that, I suppose, and say thanks to my viewers. Don't forget, we are coming up to the 15,000, so we will be doing a 15,000 giveaway to friends and subbers. The rest of you can start off. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for thumbs upping. Thanks for commenting. And thanks for putting up with me.
Thank you.
Hang on to your seats.